Dito ngayon sa Vancouver. Connecting flight going to Philippines. Yeah. Ito na. Nakita ko na B67. Connecting flight to Philippines. Excited na ako. Philippines. 5 hours layover here in the Vancouver Airport. Okay. Asa na yung gate? G67. G67. Okay. Vancouver Airport. It's 6:30 dito sa Vancouver Airport. So 1 AM pa yung flight ko. So 5 hours, 6 hours layover. So gutom na ako. Hanap muna tayo ng makakain. Tom Jones na. Okay, see you later. Church Texas Chicken. See. Okay, and then Canada Dry drinks. Okay. Kain muna tayo.